Welcome everyone! Here is how to transfer data to your iPhone Air from your old iPhone. So first of all, what I want you to do is on your iPhone Air, I just want you to wake the screen. If you see the hello text shown in multiple different languages, and when you swipe up, you see the setup screen like this, that's great. If instead, when you wake the iPhone, you have the lock screen here, and then you have the home screen, we cannot transfer the data until we factory reset iPhone Air. So in order to do this, let's open up our settings, then look for General, then scroll all the way down until you see Transfer or Reset iPhone, then choose Erase all content and settings, continue, and if you have eSIM, you should choose Keep eSIM and Erase data. If you don't have eSIM, that option won't show up and your iPhone will just factory reset, and once this is done, we can proceed. Once everyone is on the hello screen, let's swipe up to open, and we just want to set up our iPhone until it shows the quickly set up iPhone option. When we see this screen, we're going to wake our old iPhone, and you can see the set up new iPhone prompt and the option to continue. But this won't show up for everyone. If this is not showing up, there are two fixes. The first one is on your old iPhone only. Swipe down from the far right hand side of the screen. Then tap this toggle area here where the Bluetooth is, and just turn on the Bluetooth feature. If still not working, on both devices, you're going to long press both power and volume up together. So long press these two together. This will show slide to power off, and then just press the power button to turn back on iPhone. Make sure you do this for both iPhone Air and your old iPhone. Once the setup new iPhone screen is working, let's tap on continue. This won't transfer data immediately. Once we do this next step, it's going to transfer our iPhone settings, our accounts, and the Wi-Fi. But first, we need to scan this bubble using the camera on our old iPhone. If this doesn't work, choose the Authenticate Manually option, and iPhone Air will show you a code to type in. But let's just scan the bubble. So we just use our camera to scan that bubble, and then it will start to transfer your accounts. So there is still more to this video. For Apple ID, we're going to set it up for ourselves, and then give it around 30 seconds to 1 minute for your accounts to transfer over. At this point, iPhone Air sometimes asks to do a software update. You have the choice to select Update Later, and you can always update at any time inside of your iPhone settings. However, if iPhone Air asks you to update the software a second time, which won't always happen, but if it does, you will have to proceed with the software update, and then you'll be able to continue. So now we just have to set up our iPhone our own way until we see the following screen, which is this: transfer data and then from your iPhone name. It is very important you choose the continue option. If you select other options, the data transfer won't begin. You'll waste a lot of time. If you should choose the other options, then I'd recommend using the power and volume up to turn off both phones, turn the back on, and when your iPhone Air boots back up, just repeat the earlier instructions from the video. They'll work just fine. So let's tap continue. Any information iPhone Air asks for, you need to enter it in right now. Under make this your new iPhone, these are all of your old settings. So you can just tap on continue, or if you want to change your settings, choose customize, but it is recommended to choose continue. Now the next options that show up is completely up to you what you choose. This tutorial, I'm only going to show you the major steps to get the data transfer working. The smaller options that show up here, you can choose whatever you want. Now we can see transferring data to iPhone, transferring data from iPhone. So patiently wait for this to finish. If your battery is low or the time remaining is very long, you're going to want to charge both devices with the power cable. Once the transfer completes, your iPhone Air will restart. Don't worry, it's not factory resetting. This progress bar is just confirming all of the data which is transferred over. After the restart, You can see the hello screen and your lock screen wallpaper from your old phone. You're practically done now. On your old iPhone, it will give you the option to erase all content and data. I actually wouldn't do that right now. I'm going to recommend tapping on not now. The reason why is, first of all, look, everything's transferred, literally everything. But the main reason is you may need to re-sign in to some of your accounts. And doing so may require your old iPhone. So just double check all of your apps are fully functioning before you factory reset your old device. Now, real quick, YouTube do not promote my videos like they used to. So if you found this video useful, it really would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and just left a comment saying, hey, I found this video useful. Thank you. Hey, you helped me transfer the data. And if I did not help you out, you're having issues, leave your questions, leave your comments in the comment section, and I will try my best to get back to you. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye bye.